Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is non-static. What is non-static variables? Let's see. Non-static variables are created outside method but inside class without static keyword. Non-static members belongs to object. Whenever an object is created, only non-static member gets loaded into the object, and static members never gets loaded into the object. Syntax to create an object: class name variable name is equal to new class name with parenthesis. This is the syntax to create an object. And non-static members cannot be accessed or used without creating object. Every time we create an object, non-static member will get loaded into it. How? Let's see. This is class A. Class A. This is class A, and how we can create object using the keyword. So new with new class name with parenthesis, new keyword sends request to the class, new keyword send request to the class, and class will generate an object. Once object is created, object once object is created, new keyword will get the address of the object and will store that into a reference variable. Reference variable. A1 here is reference variable. A1 is reference variable. Once object is created, only non-static member will get loaded into the object. How? Let's see on Eclipse. So how we can create project in Eclipse? Just press Ctrl N, type Java project, press enter, give any name as per your choice. I am giving app Java 3. Press enter, just click on no, double click on app Java 3, go to src, press Ctrl N, type package. What is package? Package is nothing but is a folder in which our program will store. Just select package, press Ctrl N, type class. Give any name as per your choice. I am giving class name A. What is non-static variable? Non-static variable created outside all the method but inside the class. This is main method. A non-static variable created outside all the method and within the class. So I am creating a variable integer a is equal to 10. If I use here static keyword, then it becomes static variable. If we are not using static keyword, it means it is non-static variable. Non-static variable. Once, so first create object, because without creating object we cannot access non-static variable. See, if we are using without creating object, then it gives us error. It's giving error. Cannot make a reference to the non-static field. So without creating object, we cannot access non-static variable. To access static variable, we have to create an object. So how we can create object? Using new keyword a, reference variable, new, class name with parenthesis, close. Object created. Object created on RAM. Once object is created, only non-static member will get loaded into the object. Here, object is created on them, and here is a non-static variable integer a is equal to 10. So only non-static variable will get loaded into the object. Integer a is equal to 10. This is main method shortcut. A close. And to access this non-static variable, we are creating object. So how we can access non-static members? Using reference variable. How? SOP a1 dot a. This give me output 10. How? Let's see on Eclipse. SYSO, press Ctrl space bar, enter. Reference variable dot non-static member. Let's, here is giving error, so just read, type control, select Control T, enter. Let's run the program. It's giving me output 10. Again I am creating one variable integer v is equal to 20. So to access this non-static variable, we have to again use reference variable dot member name a1 dot b. Here, if again I create one non-static member, let's say created integer a, integer b is equal to 20. So one more non-static variable bit get loaded into the object. So access this non-static member, we use reference variable dot member name, and it's giving me output 10 and 20. So it's giving me 10 output and it's giving me 20. If I am printing just reference variable SYSO, what will be the output? It's giving me app java 3 dot a at the rate digits. This is in hexadecimal format. This is memory address. It's giving me memory address, and memory address of an object by default is represented in hexadecimal format. You can never access non-static variables without creating object. Let's see again. If I am using direct without creating object, this non-static variable, it give me error. See, this giving me error. So we can't access without creating non-static variables. That's all guys in today's topic. Thank you.